So, hello and welcome to another lecture in Mastering ComfyUI codes by techlatest.net. So far, we had covered a lot of things like codes overview, objectives, then about ComfyUI, then setup installation of ComfyUI on various cloud platforms, and then how you set up and use custom models and downloaded models from resources like Hugging Face, then workflows, lot of things. Now, in this lecture, basically, we'll discuss how you create a custom workflows, and you can also say custom node in ComfyUI. Okay, so let's get started. So our VM is already running. You can see the IP here, like VM is running now. And when you do SSH, basically I'm running this on Google Cloud Platform. If you want to use on AWS and Azure, so you can go for that also. So basically I have to first do SSH, then after your terminal is running, so you can see the VM name, basically support to and this type of things. Then you can change the directory from cd home ubuntu setup configure models checkpoints. So basically this is directory. Then you can do ls run ls command, and you can see the available models which we have downloaded. Okay, and by default SDXL base 1.0 safe answers is already coming with come with this VM. Okay, then you can do cd and you can go in uh, custom nodes directory from cd command. Okay, so when you go in custom nodes directory, then you can do ls, and you can see the ComfyUI manager. So we will not provide ComfyUI manager with this VM. Okay, so I have to search on Google about ComfyUI manager, and this is the first link. If you click on this link, and you can run the one command which is git clone, and then paste this. So basically git clone, and after this you have to paste this github link. Okay, and then you have to enter it, so it will clone the repo, ComfyUI manager repo. Then after that you have to reboot the VM, basically from sudo init 6 command. So it will like restart your VM, and then you after restarting the VM you can refresh the ComfyUI user interface, so you can find about the manager here. So this is the simple step and step-by-step process you can do, and you can good to go for using ComfyUI manager. Okay, so if you click on ComfyUI manager, so here you can see a lot of things like snapshot manager, install pip packages, then unload models. If you want to install some pip packages from pip, so you can good to go from this. Then here you can see the unload models. If you want to unload the models, so you can good to go from this button. Then here you can see the custom nodes manager. If you click on custom nodes manager, so here you can see a lot of things. These are some custom nodes manager, and here you can see the author names and other things also. Okay, so if I scroll this, so here you can see the installation button also. So if you want to install something like ComfyUI Impact Pack, ComfyUI Impact Sub Pack, and other things, so you can go for that also. Apart from this, here you can see was this one. Then installing missing custom node. If you want to install some missing custom node, so you can go from here. Okay, so this is basically the uh, if you want to install missing customers, you can go from here. Then model manager option are there. So here you can see the model manager like decoder and other things. Okay, and latent diffusion, super resolution, these are some uh, name, and then you can see the description also. Then you can install it and you can use it in your ComfyUI interface. Then after this, here you can see the fetch updates, and if you want to update your ComfyUI user interface, so you can update it also. Then here you can see the alternatives of A1111. So this is the alternative of A1111. So here are some alternatives like ComfyUI no noise and other things, ComfyUI cut off. So you can use this also. Then if you want to restart it, so you can restart from this button. Okay, so let's create a custom workflow or custom node. Okay, so we have to install some other things. Wait. Yeah, here you can see the ComfyUI manager. If you want to install this ComfyUI impact pack, if you click on installation button, so it will start installation, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes to install it, and then you can use it in ComfyUI user interface. Okay, then wait a minute. So you can see that it wants a restart. So click on restart. Yes, and here you can see the option that is reconnecting, and then you can good to go for using. Then here you can see if you want to create a custom node, so here you can see these options also. Okay, and here you can see the option is reconnected now. Okay, then I see where it is. If you want to refresh this VM again, and user interface, then here you can see that if you want to create a node, so from here you can basically create a node. Then here you can see the disconnect links option. If you want to disconnect link, then again, if you want to create some new node, so you can create from here. Then other options are also there. Okay, and then if you want to here you can see the options, add node option. So if you want to add nodes like images and other things, okay, so here you can see this is the bunch of things. So if you want to create invert image and other things, so you can create this one, and then you can connect it here basically. Okay, then again I am connected with this, and you can connect with this and other things. So basically in this way you can create your custom node. And again, if I click on this same image option button, okay, so here you can see a lot of things like modes, resize, collapse, and colors options, shapes, and other things. Okay, so like you can also see the fix node option, and here you can also see the share option. So like if you want to share this workflows and other things, so you can good to go for like sharing also. So this is the basically work of custom nodes, basically how you create a custom node and other things. Okay, and after this, yeah, you can, if you if you want to create, and if you want to remove it, so you can also go to go for remove, but use remove button, and you can remove it from here. Unknown caller. So this is the process. So to create a node, and that's all about this lecture. I will also show you how you like use the ComfyUI manager and other things. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. Bye. I'll meet in next video.